Brett, if people are traveling away for the holiday season and maybe late already for some people, but maybe they're going the beginning of January or a holiday, do you suggest they turn the water off while they're away?
So yeah, I think there's two. We'll take both sides. Some people will shut it off at the street. They just cut the whole house off. I think with the digital meters, it's really not as possible anymore. Some people will shut the main water valve off at the house. Hopefully you know where your main water valve is. Everyone should know, just in case there is a break, so that you can shut the water off to the whole house. That's not a bad idea to do that if you're going to be gone for a prolonged period of time, especially if you have water lines that are on outside walls. A lot of washing machines have those connections on an outside wall. They are very prone to freezing, and because there's no water running through them. So you cut the water off to your washing machine, or if you've got a kitchen sink, say that's on that outside wall, you're looking out in the backyard, lovely view, but it's also a colder space. So if you're going to leave those doors open, let a little bit more heat get into them. You may want to keep a little pencil wet stream of water flowing through there if it's just for a short period of time. But yeah, if you're going to be away for any period of time, shutting off that main water valve is probably a good idea. Just understand that if you do that, it may leak. So don't do it as you're walking out the door. Okay,
the hose, the bib
the
itself,
valve itself.
may leak,
the valve itself may leak if it hasn't been turned for a long time. So that may be something you do, even a few days before you leave. That way, if you do have a little bit of a leak, you can deal with it before you walk out the door.
And once you turn it off, then open up the faucets to let whatever pressure is in there out.
Yeah,
I take it.
Yeah,
Okay.
especially if you've got water lines that run through the attic, you definitely want to drain those out.